In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shipping costs to your location. We'll walk through a simple way to check shipping on Etsy before you buy, so you can compare options, see delivery estimates, and avoid surprises at checkout. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Etsy homepage. You can do this on desktop or mobile. Once you're there, pick any item you're interested in. It can be something you've already saved or a product you just discovered. Click into the listing so you're on the full product page. On the listing page, scroll down until you see the Shipping and Return Policies section. This is where Etsy shows estimated delivery dates, the carrier or service a seller uses, and the cost for your location. Near the shipping line, look for a small edit or pencil icon next to the current destination. Click that icon to open the shipping estimator. In the estimator, choose your country from the drop-down, then enter your zip or postal code. After you've entered your location details, select Update or the equivalent button to refresh the calculation. The page will show the shipping price based on your selection, along with an updated delivery window. If you see a value like $209 appear in the field or as a suggested option, go ahead and click on $209 to select or activate that entry. This sometimes appears as a placeholder or a suggested region that needs to be selected before you can continue. Next, type in the highlighted field to replace any placeholder value with your actual postal code or the exact information Etsy is asking for. This ensures the estimate reflects your real address rather than a sample entry. When you're ready, click Submit to apply your changes. The shipping cost and delivery estimate will update right away on the listing page. You should now see the current rate, any available shipping upgrades, and an expected arrival window tailored to your location. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If shipping doesn't appear, the seller may not ship to your country or region. Try a different item or contact the shop for clarification. Make sure your postal code format matches what's used in your country, including any spaces or letters. If the price seems high, check if there are multiple shipping services you can choose from, or if combining items from the same shop changes the total. Finally, remember that taxes or duties, if applicable, are often separate from the shipping fee. That's it. You've just learned how to find the shipping cost to your location on Etsy quickly and confidently.